Hello everyone, welcome to Education Helpers Academy. Today we are discussing. This is the IS schedule. It denotes that the goods market equilibrium it depend upon the rate of interest and with the autonomous spending of the government. It leads to can increase the aggregate demand curve that will increase the equilibrium level of income and right interest rate. So the IS curve shows the combination of right interest rate and income which will equilibrium at the goods market. So already we discussed the slope of the IS curve is depend upon the right investment spending and the rate of interest. This is the IS curve. The LM curve is this. And then at the equilibrium point E, the equilibrium point E, both goods market and money markets are satisfied. At that level of the satisfaction, the equilibrium level of interest rate is I and the level of income is OY 0. If you can observe that in a fiscal policy, right, sometimes the government has to change the government spending or to can increasing or decrease the government spending, and also the government increasing or decreasing the tax rates that will lead to change the multiplier of to change in the level of the consumption expenditure and the investment to change or the tax will change that will lead to entire the aggregate demand to change the aggregate demand equilibrium level of income will change. Suppose in this point alpha g means the multiplier effect. The multiplier effect it denotes 1 by 1 minus c into 1 minus t. C it denotes the consumption proportion of the income. How it will change the consumption proportion? If the government increase the government spending or if the government decrease the government spending, how it will change the consumption and how it will change the tax rate and the tax effect with the multiplier portion of the income. How it will change the income multiplier portion of the tax, or you can say how it will change the tax rate to change in the multiplier proportion of the income level. So that means either the government expenditure to change and the tax to change that will lead to the multiplier proportion of the income to change the income level aggregate demand curve shift to shift the aggregate demand curve the IS curve will shift to. This is some fiscal policy effect. If sometime the fiscal policy is interrelated to monetary policy. How it is fiscal policy its impact on the monetary policy? How it is to change the monetary policy, the entire equilibrium change. Because here we are discussing about equilibrium level of IM curve, IS curve and LM curve. How it is change this equilibrium to change the any of the policy. Look at if the government increase. What is the policy? Fiscal policy. The fiscal policy is the policy, right? It's related to government expenditure and tax rates, right? So sometimes the government increase the expenditure and sometimes the tax will automatically increasing or decreasing. If the government increase the government expenditure, right, will leads to increase the real income of the, that is you can call it increase the real GDP of the public. To increase the level of government expenditure to increase the will leads to increase the entire real GDP to increase the level of real GDP that will leads to right to increase the government to increase the private expenditure, that is you can call it as the investment expenditure increase the level of investment expenditure that will leads to aggregate demand curve will shifted to rightward to shifted the rightward aggregate demand curve will leads to IS curve will shifted to rightward. How much proposed to increase this IS curve? To increase this much level. What is this? Alpha G, right? Investment expenditure delta I. Alpha G delta I it's represent alpha G delta G bar. Alpha G delta G bar. That means if the government expenditure increase the level of government expenditure, the public real income is increasing. To increase the real income, the public has to increase his expenditure up to this much level. This is the IS curve will shifted to rightward shift IS1 to IS2. Right? Due to the multiplier of the government expenditure increase of government expenditure, the investment spending is increasing, the IS curve shifted to rightward. What will happen? The rate of interest. At the level of the rate of interest, his income is increasing OY1. Look at here. Here what is happening? Here, if the increase level of government expenditure, the public investment spending is increasing. Due to increasing level of investment spending, aggregate demand curve shifted, that IS curve shifted to rightward. But the level of rate of interest is same. There is no change in the rate of interest. Why? Because here there is no monetary policy satisfaction. That means here monetary policy is not changed. Whatever the supply of money here, the same level of the supply of money, right? The rate of interest is I. If the IS curve shifted to rightward, the public has to increase the aggregate spending. Due to IS curve shifted rightward, increasing level of income, but it will not affect to the interest rate. It not affect to the real demand for real money balance. It's not affect to demand for real money balance, because here the LM curve is earlier equilibrium point E. There is no change in the LM curve. That means demand for the public